little caves in the wall there. There we go, little bridge here. This is not made of bamboo, surprised. Right, that's actually there. How cool is that? Awesome, mate. Explore that. Look at this waterfall, that is huge. How's it going, people? Today we're at Goarajafalls Waterfall in Jeham Village, apparently. Pretty big sign. There we go. Little track down here. Little Pigapoo. Goarajafalls. There's a little cave in the wall there. Okay, so this will be waterfall 16, if I'm counting correctly. It's only like 10 minutes up the road from where we just went to Tukad Sepang, so check out all these videos because they're all freaking amazing. And they're all going to be short, so you can all be like, oh my god, I can watch Mark's videos because they're not 1 hour of walking up Greg talking about crap he complains about. No, come on, I'm funny. That's why you watch my channel, people. At least I explain how to do things properly, especially off track anyway. Okay, so you can go to the toilet or to Goraja to the right. There we go, little bridge here. This one cost $2.50, 25,000, and they opened this in 2019 apparently, so it's not even marked on Gaia, this track. Actually was going to try and come in from the other side, but then we just saw a sign actually directed us this way on the eastern side of it, so that's how you find it. It's marked on Google as well, surprisingly, but just not on the track. Natural pool and waterfall. Little shrine. I love these. Trib Waterfall, classic. Okay, so we're crossing the creek again. It's a pretty high bridge actually. Not made of bamboo, surprised. Spent some money on this one. And it looks like it's going to be a little bit gorgy, but we'll see if I'm right with that. We're going to cross back again, that's funny. This is just the easiest way with the rock sides. Beautiful massive ferns, these are huge. I don't know the species, they'll be something definitely Asian. This one's a bit rickety. We'll cross back again. I don't know. It's like they pump water down here under this pipe. This is only going to be a short walk. Even though I don't have it on the map, but really it's not far. A few people down here, but hopefully they're on their way out. Is what I think. We'll see. Trib there, sorry, the pipe and there's a little cascade. This guy's actually sweeping rocks to make it look tidy. Imagine if national parks did that. Talked about it yesterday where a guy was sweeping the side of the waterfall and the rock face. That's one thing, but this guy's sweeping the path and everything. It's gorgeous. This is actually quite wide, this waterfall, so it looks cool. Little trip coming up here. There's a hole in the wall. A few people here. This is actually changing rooms for swimming, so it'll get some people. It's quite pretty. Oh wow, it's not like a cave, it is. Oh wow, that's sick. Right, that's actually there. How cool is that? didn't realise it was that big in the corner. I only really saw this photo. Awesome, but kind of curious to see what's on top. Yeah. They're getting their photos in there, so we'll get our photos here first. Happy days. Pretty sick or what? Alright, so just exploring into the, that's pretty cool, that cabin photo. The waterfall peeking through. In a dark corner cave. There's a really dark hole there. In there, I can't even see. I'll explore that. Look at this waterfall, that is sick. Wow. Pretty crazy that in this cave as well. We're looking out into that little sandstone, little, let's call it, almost gorge. Let's get over here. There's a lot of rock. He just took a photo for me, legend, but he's barefoot. I was like, bro, I'm gonna be able to climb over this. Yeah, pitch black. Let's get some torch happening here. Hang on. Trying to do things with one hand is not easy. Again, torch does nothing. Wow, it goes right in. This is great. Look at this. Holy hell. What an angle. It's just wild. Holy hell. Talk about hectic. Yeah, technically behind the flow here, which is ground. Look at that height. This kid I just talked to reckons that the same creek's going up again, even though it looks like it's a trib, so that's interesting. Alright, heading back out. People coming now actually. Yeah, hope you enjoy the journey. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe for me. Hit the notification bell to get notified of all the new misadventures. We'll catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out. Look at this building, all made of branches, logs. Almost like the Hobbit's house. It's wild.
What's the meaning of goarajafalls waterfall?
Yes.
Goa means cave, Raja means king. So
Goraja,
yeah.
King's Cave. That's the name of that waterfall. Cool. We're on to the other one, around the corner.